in Azam City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
Well, members present, including the honorable presiding officer.
Having members present that clear declares of war. Concerning the document to each and every one of us. For the order of business, I feel the honorable major, including the honorable president of finance.
Yes, Honorable Chair, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. We have guests and visitors. Good afternoon, we have our Honorable Chair. Included in that is the appearance of Mrs. Jojo Lasta from New Image International Alpha Rostrum to endorse health products. We'll give them 10 minutes and give microphone to Ma'am Jojo Lasta and lecture by everyone. Look at everyone. Ano ang preparan na?
May we recognize Mr. Jojo Lasta from the New Image International Alpha Colostrum to introduce to us the health products.
I want to resume to suspend the rules, Honorable Chair, to allow the visitor to speak for us. Good afternoon.
Rule suspended.
Hello. Oh, wow. Good morning, each and everyone. In behalf of Jojo Lasta, who is still downstairs, I will be representing our product. By the way, I'm Marisol Bonhe. I'm Ilongga. I'm from Iloilo. But when I got married, I was transferred in Cagayan de Oro Metro Bank. My husband is also connected with Metro Bank. Okay. I'm already a widow. I have blessed with 3 children, all professionals. I have a banker, a civil engineer, and an electromechanical engineer. As a background, I'm already a retired Metro banker. After that, I joined the networking business, and I was one of the manager of Forever Living. And then I joined also Mary Kay, wherein I'm one of the Hall of Famer, and I was able to receive the pin card as an incentive. Now, I started this New Image International. The company is in New Zealand. It was founded by Graham Clegg. He's a New Zealander, a year 1984. And after 10 years, they were able to open office in Manila, in the Philippines, wherein our headquarters is in Manila. Okay. When I started, before joining this New Image, I have so many sicknesses. I have heart palpitation, I have myoma, I have an ulcer. In fact, I am using the brace. I have the brace. While I was working with the bank, meron akong ready-to-made na dress. Okay? So when I started 2012, when I started taking this colostrum, I just want to share to you what had happened. And since that time, all my sicknesses were gone. Okay? My doctor advised me to have my myoma to be operated because if not, I will not bear a child. But you know, I just do the healthy living and take this colostrum. Okay? This colostrum is so amazing because it has different kinds of benefits. Okay? So when I started using this colostrum, all my sickness are gone. From the palpitation, I have no more medication for my palpitation, and then my myoma, it did not increase. As is lang siya. Then, amazingly, when I got pregnant, you know, all I am expecting to have an operation. But you know, I gave birth normally. Okay? So, you know what? I have to make it short. Later, I will just bring all our products. But since, sir, just give me 10 minutes, we have our colostrum. Our colostrum contains 1 billion probiotics. It has 1,000 milligrams of calcium. It has vitamins and minerals. It has immune factors. So wherein it can address all kinds of diseases from head to toe. Lahat na mga sakit. Example ko na lang yung amazing effect in Zamboanga, wherein one of our pastora joined this company and mayroon siyang kasama sa simbahan na leukemia. Ang pasyente na yung may leukemia, nag-abono ng dugo, 5 bags a day. But when he started taking this colostrum, nag-stop yung pag-abono ng dugo. And ngayon, okay na siya. That's why, yung nag-record sa kanya na milyonarya, they were able to buy 6.5 million in a month. Okay? So, malaking bagay. Ako isang, testimony. Kasi lahat ng mga sakit, by the way, I'm already 72 years old. I don't take any medicines. I'm still driving, even up to Samis, anywhere. Okay? So, that's why I give credit to our New Image International. Aside from that, we have this colostrum in powder form. We have also a tablet form. We have also capsule. We have also the weight management. Kung gusto magpa-slim, mayroong talagang product dyan na maraming, in Malaysia, mayroong obese, malaki talaga. Tapos nag-join siya sa beauty pageant, nanalo siya. Yun ang siya. Tapos, mamaya, later, ipalabas ko yung mga products. I have to explain. Mayroon kaming colostem is a colostrum, combination of colostrum and a stem cell. Wherein ang stem cell natin, ang daming stem cell, mayroong plant stem cell, mayroong human stem cell, but here, plants natin, mayroong animal. Yung portier is an animal stem cell, mayroon din horse stem cell. But ours is plant stem cell wherein it's a brown algae. Okay? We have also the Immufort. It will immerse your immune system. We have also, kung may mga sakit sa heart, mayroon tayong omega CoQ10 na ma-address. Kung may yung mga clogging sa atong blood vessels, i-address siya talaga. Okay? So, how many minutes, sir? We have also this pycnogenol. Itong pycnogenol naman is a combination of different herbs from ancient yung Chinese ancient herbs. Wherein, address siya lahat ng mga sakit mo sa katawan. Okay? And then, later, we have also this weight management. Later, I will bring all these products after the session, sir. So, I think, and I won't elaborate on the marketing plan. The marketing plan is great because, sir, when I started joining this, I was able to travel to New Zealand and I was able to earn more compared to my income in the bank. Thank you, sir. That's all.
Thank you, Honorable Sir. I guess it could have been better if you present your products through projector para masabtan, maklaro ba?
Oo, sir. May product ko, dala ko lahat ng product. Pero kung i-present ko yan, it will take so much time.
I assume nag-coordinate mo daan sa mong staff para mapresent niyo unta. Because you have limited time. I give you 10 minutes. So, I guess, I hope everybody was able to grasp your presentation. So, Honorable Sir, will welcome the questions to my colleagues, if any, para matubag ni
Okay.
sa
Okay.
colostrum na promote sa products.
Yes, before we proceed, allow me first, the chair would like to recognize also the presence of Ma'am Lucille Maglasang and party. You are recognized by the chair o kinsa pa uban din ha. Anyway, Mr. Majority Pro Leader, go ahead.
So, any question, my colleagues, regarding this hero product nga gibisintar ni Ma'am sa tuwa? Na may questions?
Yes, ma'am, you have the floor now. Any question?
Any question? Actually, our product is very safe. Mostly doctors are prescribing this product.
Yes.
And I'm one of the testimony. I am not taking any medicines right now.
Yes. Is there any inquiry from the member of this August body? Yes. Honorable Suiso, you have some query?
Yes, Madam Chair. The presentation was very promising, and considering that most of the members here are seniors, and probably this is very helpful for health reasons, and maybe we could ask our presenter if he could leave us flyers or brochures or informations regarding the product so that we could have it reviewed, detailed, and contact numbers also if you are interested. Thank you very much, Madam Chair.
Okay. Noted by the chair.
Oh, I just give you a overview of the compensation ban. When you join, you only share 3,200. You get the one can of colostrum, you get the bag, you get the shaker. We have also the flyers inside the bag. We have the price list and the value for money. When you count the total content of the bag, it's 4,000 plus because the shaker is 400 plus. And the can, it is good for 1 month. Okay. So you can get the value of your money. The amount is 4,000 plus, but you only pay 3,200.
Okay, thank you. Any other query from this August body?
I think my colleagues are waiting for the materials to be distributed for our reading pleasure, ma'am, para matanaw.
Okay, sir.
To complement your presentation.
Okay, sir. Maybe, sir, after your session, sir, I can bring all the products.
Okay, okay.
And
So, we would like to thank Colostrum, the company and the staff of these health products being introduced to us this afternoon. I hope you will be able to help us, especially seniors. According to the organization, there are seniors there. Although most are young, not most are seniors.
Good for the children.
So, we would like to thank ma'am for your presence. Your
Actually,
presentation.
before I forget, sir, it can address all kinds of diseases from infants to almost dying. Yung marang may tao niya na mamatay na talaga, but because of the colostrum, gumaling siya.
Sige ma'am, thank you very much. So, thank you for your presence. We are now present the second batch, sir,
Yes.
from La Union, who came here to also the company. Can we request secretary to introduce the guest from La Union?
Yes.
Madam Chair, this afternoon we have the presence of Mr. Bong Lomang and Miss Lynn Esperos from La Union.
Kindly provide a table for Sir Lumang and Ma'am Lynn from La Union to be able to present their presentation this afternoon. will give Mr. Lumang 5 minutes to present their company. And then everybody can ask questions. Ang questions not included sa 5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Good
Yeah, Chair.
afternoon, Vice, SBs. By the way, my name is Bong, and my companion here is Lynn Nisperos. We're from La Union, so nag-travel kami going here to invite every municipalities. This is about travel and tours. So just in case na may plan kayo mag-travel later on, local man yan or international, so we're here to give discounts sa travel packages ninyo, lifetime duration po ito. So I know na most of you are traveling, local man or international. But before we start, magdi-distribute muna kami ng brochure para may reference kayo kung ano po yung pinipresent ko, para aware kayo kung ano yung ano. Ito po siya. Okay. So just in case na may plan kayo mag-travel later on, don't forget na ipabook ito sa Lakwatsa Escape Travel and Tours. Ang office po natin is La Union, pero online booking po kasi, you're very much welcome. Kasi sa panahon mo ngayon, welcome, online booking na halos lahat ng transactions. So located tayo sa La Union. Ngayon kapag inopen nyo po yung brochure, nandito po yung card. Na kapag meron kayong card, magkakaroon kayo ng discount sa travel packages ninyo starting today up to lifetime duration po ito. So wala po itong expiration, and this promotion is transferable within the family members lang. Ayan. So though yung card natin, meron siyang membership. Nandito po sa lower right, $5.99 membership. Pero of course, we're not forcing naman. So ano po yung gamit ng membership natin? Meron po tayo dito sa bandang lower left na Batanes Tour. Ang Batanes Tour natin, if in case na gusto nyo mag-Batanes, is ang pinaka-rate natin is 11K before. Dahil may card ho kayo, you can get 50% discount sa domestic travel natin. So if instead of 11K, magiging 5,699 na lang siya. So kasama na dito yung 3 days and 2 nights na hotel accommodation, kasama na rin yung North Batan Tour. I don't know kung napanood nyo po yung shooting ni Coco Martin. Dito po sila nag-shooting. And then may itinerary, breakfast, tour guide, sundo sa airport, hatid sa airport, kasama na sa package. Ang wala nga lang dito, excluded dito is the airfare. So hindi pa kasali yung airfare dito. So do pwede nyo ipabook yung airfare sa amin, wala nga lang pong discount. Kasi may sariling promo kasi ang airlines. Ayan. So isang gamit pa lang ng membership card ninyo, bawi na ang membership ninyo in terms ng discount na ma-avail ninyo. And then we have also Camiguin. Yan, kung sinong gusto mag-travel sa Camiguin. And then we have Boracay, Coron, Cebu, Siargao. And then kung wala dito, like Dinagat, Bohol, Iloilo, Bacolod, Baguio, it's up to you. Ano ba nang piliin ninyong destination, pwede nyo pong ipabook sa amin with the discounts na makukuha ninyo. And then kung international naman, I know na nakatravel na halos lahat ng international dito. Meron tayong Bangkok, Thailand dito. Ang Bangkok natin is 9,000 per head before. Dahil may card ho kayo, 20% discount ang ma-avail kapag international travel. So instead of 9,000 plus, magiging 7,499 na lang ang per head. Kasama na rin dito yung 3 days and 2 nights hotel with city tour sa Bangkok, itinerary, breakfast, tour guide, sundo sa airport, hatid sa airport. Again, without airfare pa ito. So we have Hong Kong, Singapore, and ang pinaka well-known na travel ngayon is Da Nang, Vietnam. So ito po, I know nakaka-stress ang trabaho minsan, pero kailangan nyo rin ng konting bakasyon paminsan-minsan. Kasi yun lang din ang sukli natin sa mga pagod natin sa araw-araw na trabaho. So ang maganda dito po kasi, for example, ikaw lang ang may card, pero 5 kayo na magta-travel. Yung 4 na kasama ninyo, cover po ng isang card. Ibig sabihin, 5 kayong lahat discounted. Pero very nice idea as gift. Kung may ririgaluhan po kayo, magandang idea as gift. Like mga best friends ninyo. Kayo yung iba, halos lahat ng mga municipal and mga provinces. Natawa ko kay Coach. So yun. So this promotion is transferable sa family. So guys, sinabi ko ang magandang regalo para sa mga family members ninyo. Kung magugustuhan nyo lang, ito lang po yung kukunin namin sa bandang likod na portion. Dito po, your name, address, contact number, signature. Para maging part kayo ng promotions natin, and then anytime from now, pwede nyo nang gamitin yung card ninyo as often as you want. So yun, so konting bakasyon, travel din. Ayun, so that's the full presentation natin. If you have any questions, pwede po kayong magtanong.
Thank you, sir.
Question po. Yes, ma'am. Yes po.
Honorable Sir, we welcome questions from my colleagues. First,
Yes,
Honorable
yes,
Silco, and then next is Honorable Principes, and then after Honorable Pettis, Honorable Siso, and so on and so forth. Honorable Sir.
So important. Yes, madam.
Thank you, Majority Floor Leader. Thank you, Madam Chair. Just like to ask the presenter the selling period.
Okay. Actually, ma'am, we've been assigned ngayon dito, pero everyday kasi iba-ibang municipal ang pinupuntahan namin. Nandito kami ngayon kasi holiday po sa sa Pagadian, kasi Muslim New Year yata. Kaya bigla kami inassign dito for this day, pero iba-iba kasi everyday. So, kapag natapos na namin dito, this day, iba na naman yung area namin pupuntahan.
I mean the selling period, the promo period.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, today lang po talaga. Today lang po talaga.
No, I mean the package.
Okay. Ito po?
The travel period and the promo period.
Okay, ang travel period natin, ito ma'am, ang pinaka-duration kasi ng card natin is lifetime. Wala po itong expiration, but if you're asking ma'am kung kailan yung pwedeng mag-dispose, today lang po talaga. Kasi everyday ina-assign kami every municipalities, and next week siguro ibang province na naman kami may i-assign.
And the price is variable?
Okay. It depends ma'am, kasi gaya nung tumaas po yung gasoline natin, may chance na tumaas, may chance na bumaba. Pero ang hindi po magbabago po is your discount. Kasi yan po yung ipapamember ninyo eh. So, ang maganda naman dyan kasi is lifetime duration. Anytime na maisipan nyo mag-travel, pwede nyo gamitin yung card natin.
So we need to pay $599?
Yes, madam. That's only $599. Lifetime yung gagamitin, and anytime pwede siya magamit ng paulit-ulit. Ganun siya. So anyway, so kung magugustuhan nyo lang, meron kasi kaming sariling pen. Wala po kasing susulat na pen dyan. Exclusive siya. So ito lang po yung ginagamit naming pen para mai-file natin yung name ninyo. Gaya po nitong mga ito. Ayan, nauna na po sa inyo sila Attorney Tatayan. Yan, other order sila. And then si Sir Froilan Bandaco, Ana Lu Limbaga, nag-avail na po sila kanina, Ma'am Joanne Beltran. So ito na po, iba-ibang provinces, iba-ibang municipalities ang napuntahan na rin namin. Well, if interested lang po kayo, maganda po na meron kayong card.
Other than the main branch in La Union, you have other branches
Okay,
in Mindanao?
ma'am, La Union lang po ang main branch natin kasi hindi na po kasi siya, ma'am, paramihan ng branches kasi online na po kasi ngayon, kaya most of the nagpapabook sa amin online na, through online. Ayan. Pero ma-search po siya sa Facebook, doon po kayo magpapabook lahat ng mga details na gusto nyo ipabook sa amin, doon po lahat. Ang dami na rin po nakagamit ng card and then naka-travel. Mostly mga LGUs ang naka-travel na ng package natin.
So you also do personalized
Yes, ma'am.
package?
Ma'am, if in case na gusto nyo po, halimbawa, medyo bitin yung 3 days and 2 nights, gusto nyo pong gawing 5 days and 4 nights, it's up to you. Kayo po ang masusunod, kami lang po ang magko-quote.
As long as the minimum number of persons per group is 12?
Ano ma'am, maximum of 5 per card. Per card.
The travel package, is it always for 12 persons?
No, sa ano po yan ma'am, sa joiners po yan madam. Dito naman po, meron po tayo, joiners po siya. Kapag joiners kasi ma'am, kung halimbawa 3 lang kayo, meron kayong ibang kasama. For example, ang pick-up area natin is Manila, going to Baguio, so maiipunin po kayo. So that's joiners tour. Pero yung iba namang tour natin ma'am, miski kayo lang po, okay lang yun.
Do you also have other destinations?
Yes ma'am, aside from that ma'am, marami pa po. We have Japan, Korea, so nasa sa inyo po kung ano yung gusto nyong
Do you also process visa?
Yes, madam. And one thing more, we have cruise ship. Costa Serena po yung barko natin. So, tri-country, may Japan, Korea, wala na pong visa yun. Yeah, wala na pong visa siya. Yan siya. So, if interested po kayo, ito lang po yung fill outan po ninyo sa bandang likod, together with the membership, and then anytime, pwede nyo siya magamit ng paulit-ulit. Magdidistribute yung kasama ko ng pen kung sino po yung interested.
Next in line to us, Honorable Chair, is Honorable Loli Bendice Pres. If Honorable Ko is through with her questions.
Yes, ma'am, madam.
Yes, Honorable Cypress, you are now recognized by the chair.
Thank you, Madam Chair, and thank you, thanks to our Majority Floor Leader. My next question is, itong 599 na
Membership.
promo, membership, sa family lang ba ito or like, for example, sa mga friends?
Okay, good question, madam. Ma'am, for example, ikaw lang ang may card. Ang kasama mo is mga friends mo. Okay lang yun, mako-cover yung friends mo. Ang hindi nga lang ma'am pwedeng gamitin nila for their family. Or halimbawa yung card mo hihiramin ng friends mo para sa family nila, hindi pwede. Kasi ang pwedeng humiram lang yan, madam, is your family member.
Okay.
Ayan. Pero kung kasama yung friends mo, as long as kasama ka, okay lang po.
Okay, that's all.
Thank you, madam.
Okay.
Next in line is Honorable Chiso. Honorable Chair.
Yes, thank you very much, Majority Floor Leader. I'm happy and delighted that this afternoon session is more on our products that promotes wellness, including also the tourism activity of our city. The question has already been asked, Mr. Chair, by our Honorable Cypress regarding the transferability of the card. And I believe that if I want to go travel and then I cannot make it, I cannot transfer this card, since I need to travel with them, because my plan is, I plan to have it a gift, but unfortunately I need to be part of the travel, right? Okay. That would be all, Madam Chair.
Pero kung halimbawa naman, sir, ibibigay mo as gift, pwede nyo ipangalan sa pagbibigyan mo. Para at least, kung gift naman pwede yun. For example, ibibigay mo sa friends mo, yung signature niya ifo-form mo lang, okay po yun.
Next.
After Honorable Chiso, who will ask next? Perhaps Honorable Lim might be have some questions.
Honorable Lim, you are now recognized.
Those are traveling frequently. Honorable Salvador.
Honorable Lim, you are now recognized. What happened to our microphones?
Thank you. I have no questions about their programs. Maybe later.
So, I guess wala na questions ako mga kauban. So, limitado lang ito lang ang inyong destination, kanirang destination niyo, mamunan nasa pamphlet. Wala mo i-travel to Ukraine, to Russia, wala.
For now, sir, wala pa. Meron nga po tayong Israel, sir, yung Holy Land, pero medyo hinohold muna nila.
Gubot na gubot.
Kasi medyo hindi pa okay.
Okay, thank you.
So yun, kung if interested ka po kayo, pwede nyo pong pero kapag hindi po kasi interested, meron siyang membership, we're going to get again the card para yan. So kung sino lang yung interested, pwede nating mabigyan ng card.
Okay.
Yan.
If my colleagues has no more questions, Honorable Chair, we thank Bong Lomang for your presentation.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much, Vice. Consit, thank you po. So yun.
Thank you so much, sir.
We have next batch of visitors, Honorable Chair. May request our Secretary to acknowledge our next batch.
Chair, this afternoon we have the presence of Ms. Chirigal Maglasang, Mrs. Lucille Maglasang, and Mr. Lance Espirito from Our Lady of Triumph.
Kindly stop, kindly give them a table and microphone for them to present their concern.
Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable Vice Mayor Anthony Bineri, Presiding Officer, honorable members of the Sangguniang Panglungsod of Misamis City, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to all. I am Cherry Gal Maglasang, Secretary General of the United National Public Transport of the Philippines, UNPTP, Vice President of Our Lady of Triumph. With me is my supportive mom and dad, along with my son, Lance. I'm really happy to be here today. As one of the national transport leader, our advocacy is to improve the lives of transport drivers and operators across the Philippines by promoting sustainable livelihood, developing competent drivers, providing practical solution to the challenges faced by the transport sector. Today, one of the most pressing challenges is the rising cost of fuel. Mutaas karon, the following week, muubos na po ng fuel, kabalo man ta, sobra ka lisod ang fuel industry karong basta every week naga-change jud ang price as what we observe, which has greatly affect the income of the drivers and operators. Dili lang mga operators, driver, also the individual usamisnon. As national leaders, we believe that we must introduce innovative and sustainable alternative. It is with great honor that I present my son, si Lance Martin Espiritu, who will discuss our proposed e-tricycle program, a solution that aims to reduce operating costs, promote clean transportation, and create better opportunities for the people of Azami City. Lance, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your time, and I will be presenting electric tricycles, sustainable transport solution for Ozamis City. This supports the 5 M's, driving sustainable mobility for a malinawon, malambuon, ug malipayon nga Misamis Occidental. Now, it's supported by transforming traditional tricycles into electric-powered vehicles. We create a transportation system that is cleaner, more affordable, more inclusive, advancing the vision of a Misamisnon, magpuyong malinawon, malumbuon, ug malipayon. Next. Here are the content we will be talking about. Next slide, please. Okay, but to start, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Lance Martin Maglasang Espiritu. I'm 22, born March 31, 2004, and finished senior high at UST. And currently, I reside in Tangub City and in college. Next slide, please. Yes, De La Salle. Now, I would like to address the problem. First, for the environmental concern. Ang 1.5 million ka tricycle nga nagamit og gasolina adunay dakong kontribusyon sa konsumo sa gasolina o greenhouse gas emissions sa nasod. This also, the problem was also misaligned with SDGs. SDG 3, 7, 8, 11, 13. Next slide, please. Now, for this, we have a regional opportunity. Ozamis City as the pilot site for scalable eco-friendly transportation and with a potential expansion across Misamis Oc. Now, for this economic challenge, mainly for the tricycle drivers. Ang mga tricycle driver nag-atubang og pinansyal nga kabog at tungod sa taas og dili stable nga gasto sa tubil og operasyon. Next slide. Now for our initiative. We want to transform tricycles from gasoline-powered to electric-powered systems to promote safe, affordable, reliable, and energy-efficient transport, to reduce fuel dependence and support driver livelihoods. And we would also want to advance, of course, in the SDGs, and also position Ozamis City and Miss Oc as leaders in eco-friendly transportation. Next slide, please. Here is our proposed unit. These are the specifications. It uses 60 volt, 45 ampere, 2,500 watts motor, disc brake, and surprisingly, it's 450 kilo max load. Usually, right, the electric vehicles, they can usually only do 45 to 60 kilometers in a single charge. But with our technology and innovation, this can do minimum of 100 kilometers and can potentially reach 130 kilometers within the city.